Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am preparing a very simple yet tasty dish with lady's finger. It's a regular everyday dish which you generally make for rice and chapati. So coming to the ingredients, I have lady's finger here which is roughly around 400 grams, less than half kg. I've taken 2 green chilies, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 2 stems of curry leaf, 3 onion. This is a large size and 2 medium, so you can take 4 medium onions. Basically, the amount of onion and lady's finger should be the same. That's what enhances the dish. I have taken salt, turmeric, and coconut oil. So, guys, I have cut the lady's finger. I have removed the head and the tip. Washing the lady's finger, what you need to realize do is basically wash it thoroughly, and you need to let it dry completely. So there shouldn't be any water content. So what how I do it is I wash the lady's finger thoroughly, and then I spread it in a newspaper and probably on the fan, and then it dries up, and then I do the chopping bit so that there is no water content. Now coming to the chopping part of it, you take the lady's finger. If it is say a long one, you cut it into two. So basically your finger size, right? You slit it into two and again slit it. So you basically get four pieces of lady's finger. I will cut all of these and come back. So guys, I've done chopping the lady's finger. So I've chopped it all into four parts. Now this is one of the best ways to chop lady's fingers, so you can actually see what's inside it. So if there is any worms and things, you can quickly identify it. Now next thing I'm going to chop is the onion. You chop it in the center like this, okay? And then you slice it. So you would basically get this shape, right? And make sure that all the slice is uniform. So I will chop all the onions and come back. So guys, I've chopped the onion. So as you can see, the quantity of onion and lady's finger is, same. Now the green chili, I'm just going to slit it into two at the center. So I'm just going to slit this. Yeah, green chili. And the garlic, I'm again just going to slice it. So this is how I have sliced the garlic. Now I'm going to start the cooking process. Pouring roughly around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The first thing that I'm going to put is the sliced garlic. Now you have to be very careful with not burning the garlic. It just has to be sauteed. So hardly few seconds. You just saute it, and the next thing that goes in is your onion. So if it gets burnt, then it just changes the taste of the dish completely. So you just need it lightly sauteed. It should not brown, right? And adding in the green chili and the curry leaf, salt to your taste, turmeric again, quarter of a teaspoon, you know, just slightly to cover it. The onion, you can see that it turns kind of a glassy. Like you can see that, it's shining, the onions. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but yeah, you know that it is just cooked. So now when it is just cooked, you add in the lady's finger. And mix it. Now here, if you want, you can add some more salt. I just like to sprinkle it over it so that it spreads evenly. Just give it a nice mix. So I don't want it to be overcooked, because if you leave it for long, then the steam will make the lady's finger very sticky, and you will not have it like as dry as you want it. So as you can see, it's already the stickiness of the lady's finger is coming. So you want to just increase the flame a bit. I'm just going to close this for about 2 minutes, and then I will show you what happens. So it's roughly been around 2 minutes since I have simmered and put the lid for the kadai. Now, when you're opening it, ensure that the water does not, or the steam that is accumulated on the lid does not fall back into the dish, because you're trying to reduce the water in the dish. So open it quickly so that the water does not fall back into it. And now you can see that the lady's finger is cooked. You still see an amount of water content, as you can see, the gluey part of the lady's finger. So just increase the flame and fry it so that all the water content in the lady's finger evaporates. And at this point, you can taste your lady's finger, the onion as well as the lady's finger, to see if it has salt. See, my lady's finger is ready, it's all done. And I'm just going to transfer it to a bowl, and that's it. It's done. Thank you for watching. Please do try this at home and let me know how it turns out. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.